In the canvas of the boundless sky, feathers of color, where dreams alight, a symphony of wings in the sun's warm embrace, roll the dance, the bird's ethereal grace. Whispers of wind, the stage is set, feathers adorned in hues, a vibrant duet, a ballet in the heavens, choreography so free, as birds unite in joyful jubilee. Fluttering feathers, a kaleidoscope array, painting the azure canvas in a feather ballet, wings in motion, a ballet in the air, a celestial waltz, beyond compare. Robins, jays, and sparrows in a playful spree, chasing the zephyrs, wild and carefree, above the treetops, in a dance so high, they weave tales with each aerial sigh. Feathers of emerald, sapphire, and gold, the story of freedom, forever to be told. Against the canvas of the cerulean dome, birds weave tales, their nomadic poem. Soaring through clouds in a limitless race, embracing the currents, a celestial chase, twisting and turning, a dance in the blue, a waltz of feathers, a melody true. A lone eagle, majestic in flight, circles the heavens, a silhouette in the light, in every wingbeat, a story untold, as the avian ballet continues to unfold. A murmuration, a ballet in the twilight, starlings in unison, a mesmerizing sight, a choreography of the sky's grand dome, where feathered dancers find their home. And as the sun bids adieu in a blaze of fire, feathers catch the last hues, the days retire, birds descend, their wings at rest, in the tapestry of dust, they find their nest. So, in the canvas of the boundless sky, feathers of color, where dreams alight, a ballet in flight, a dance so grand, as birds play and fly, in this enchanted land. For more videos please subscribe our channel. Thank you.